Good morning class. Today we will solve exercise 8.2. And first question is that a new salary of a man is rupees 1,54,000. 1,54,000. New salary means old salary was something that, and there is an increase of 10%, and after increase it is the new salary. And increase is 10%. So what was, you have to find what was his old salary. Clear? You don't know the old salary. Let old salary. It was X. Suppose my old salary, you don't know what was my old salary. I announced in the class that students, now my salary is 1,54,000 after 10% increase. This year there is a 10% increase in my salary, and my salary is 1,54,000. Then you asked, ma'am, what was your old salary? But I didn't tell. I ordered you that please find my old salary. So student, how you will find? Let old salary X increase 10%. So it will be like that. Old salary plus increase, that will be equal to new salary. So X was old salary, 10% means 10% of my old salary. So 1,54,000 it will be. Here nothing in the denominator, take it 1. This 0 cancel with 0, so it is X upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. Now take LCM 10, 1 and 10, LCM is 10. So 1 10 ja 10, 10x plus 10 1 ja 1, x, that is equal to 1,54,000. So 11x upon 10 is equal to 1,54,000. X will be transfer this 10 to the another side, it will multiply to the another side, and this 11 will transfer to the denominator of right hand side. So cancel this 11 1 ja 11, 4, 11 4 ja 44. So it is 1 2 3 and this 10 to that side. So 1,54,000 was already. So X is equal to 1,40,000. So my new salary is, old salary was, it means 1,40,000 rupees. Clear? And question number 2 is, on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo, and on Monday how many people went to the zoo? 169. You have to find percentage of increase or decrease, that is on Monday. On Sunday 845 people went to the zoo, Monday 169. What is the percent decrease in the people visiting to the zoo on Monday? So let's see the difference. Sunday को लोग थे 845 and on Monday it was 169. So difference 15 minus 9 6. It is 13 here. 13 minus 6, how much? 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Difference between Monday and Sunday. 845 Sunday को थे, Monday को 169. So difference 676. So what is the decrease? Decrease is 676, and you have to find the decrease percent. So decrease percent will be decrease divided by the original value, then multiplied by the 100, and when you will cancel it, you will find it 80%. So your answer is 80% decrease. question number 3, cost a shopkeeper buy 80 article for rupees 2400 and earn a profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. So suppose I went to Delhi and I purchased 80 articles, 80 toys for 2400. Then here I sell them with a profit of 16%. I earned a profit of 16%. So find my selling price. So first of all, I have to find the profit in rupees. Cost price of 80 article 2400, profit 16%. So selling price, what will be the selling price? Selling price will be cost price plus profit. Cost price here is 2400, profit 16%. 16% of what? Percent means per 100 of 2400, because I earned profit on rupees 2400. So these two zero cancel with these two zero. 2400 plus 16 into 24, 16 into 24, 384, and add this, so it will be 2784, and this is the selling price of 80 article, because here I have bought 80 article for 2400, so it will be the selling price of 80 article. So how you can find the selling price of one article? By unitary method. Selling, it was the 80 article, now one article. Selling price of one article will be 2784 upon 80. So divide it with 8. 8 3 ja 24, then 3 8 4 ja, it is 4. So how much it will be? 8 3 ja 27, 8 3 ja 24, 3 38, 8 4 ja 38, 6, 8 8 ja 64, and this 0 divided by 10, so it will be rupees 34.8. Selling price of one article will be 34.8. So what you did? You know the cost price of 80 things. Then profit also 16%. From there you find the selling price of 80 things, that is cost price plus profit. When you find the selling price of 80 things, then you can easily find out the selling price of one thing, that is selling price of 80 things divided by 80. So easily it is rupees 34.8. Now question number 4. In question number 4, you have given that cost price of an article is rupees 15,500. Cost price of an article is rupees 15,500. This article may be your bicycle. You purchased a bicycle for 15,500 for. Then you spent on its repair or on its accessories. Spent on repair rupees 450. 15,500 की आपने साइकिल ली, 450 रिपेयर पे ना लगा के सपोज आपने उसके लॉक लगवाया और बेल लगवाई नहीं. So what is the total cost for you? Total cost, it is not cost for you now. 15,500 की आपने साइकिल ली, 450 आपने एक्सेसरीज पे लगाए, तो आपको तो साइकिल 15,950 की पड़ी. So it is the cost price for you 15,950. And then what you did? You sell it again. So profit, you earned a profit of 15%. So जो प्रॉफिट होगा आपको वो किस पे होगा? कॉस्ट प्राइस पे. फाइंड द 15% of this 15,950. 15,000 of this zero cancel with this, 1595 multiplied by 15. So it will be 23,000, no, something, yes, 15 into 1595. After multiplying, it is 23,925 and 10 in the denominator. So when we remove the 10, it is 2,392.5 rupees. This is the profit you earned. Then what will be the selling price? Find the selling price. So selling price of bicycle is cost price plus profit, 15,950 plus 2392.50 rupees. So it will be 18,342 rupees 50 paise. Clear? If I not calculated wrongly, it's 2, 9 plus 5, 14, carry 1, 9 or 1, 10 or 3, 13, carry 1, 5 or 1, 6, 7, 8. So this is the selling price. Again, 15,500 की साइकिल खरीदी, 450 आपने एक्सेसरीज पे लगाए, आपकी कॉस्ट हुई 15,950। उसके बाद आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने कहा कि साइकिल मुझे भेज दो, वो विलेज से आए हैं, आप नहीं ले लेना। सो आपके मन में थोड़ा सा सोचा कि हम प्रॉफिट अर्न कर लेते हैं, देन आपने उसको सेल करी, बट प्रॉफिट 15% प्रॉफिट। सो दिस इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस, देन selling price will be this cost price plus 15% of this cost price. Clear? So it will be this plus इसका आपके पास 15% आया था 2392.50. So in this way you find the selling price, that is 18,342.50 paise. Is this clear? Okay.